Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix chat disabled on Roblox. All right, so let's begin with the video. You just open your Roblox and suddenly notice that you can't type anything in chat. The chat box is locked, you can't whisper to friends, and you're worried you might be banned. But in reality, you are not banned. Roblox recently rolled out a major global update that makes age verification mandatory for most users. And now, it's not just required for voice chat, but for text chat as well. So, in order to unlock Roblox chat after the age verification update, you have to follow these steps. First, click on the locked chat option below your chat window. A verification window will open automatically. If your chat is not locked yet, I still highly recommend verifying your age now, because this feature is still rolling out, and sooner or later you'll be required to complete it. To manually access verification, click on the 3 dots More icon on the left side of the screen. Then go to Settings and select Account Info. Under your birthday, you'll see an option that says Check your age to get more features. Click Continue with Camera. You'll now reach the verification screen. Click Continue again. If you are using a laptop or PC with a webcam, you can proceed directly. However, I strongly recommend clicking Continue on another device. This will generate a QR code that you can scan with your phone, which usually makes the process smoother and easier. Once you scan the QR code with your phone, you'll see the verification screen on your mobile device. Tap Continue. When a pop-up appears asking for camera permission, tap Allow. Wait for the camera to load. Once it's ready, follow the on-screen instructions. You'll need to move your face slightly to the left while looking into the camera, then move to the right and look directly at the camera again. This allows the system to perform a 3D facial scan. After the scan, you'll see a message saying, estimating your age. Wait a few seconds while the AI processes the result. In my case, it estimated 21 or above. Once completed, tap OK. Your verification is now complete, and your chat should be unlocked. If it's still locked, simply log out and log back in. Keep in mind, if the AI estimates that you are under 9 years old, your chat may remain restricted until a parent provides consent. According to Roblox, your facial scan is not permanently stored. The verification process is handled by Persona, a third-party identity verification provider. Roblox states that the scan is only used to estimate your age and is deleted afterward. The goal is to separate adults from younger users to make chat safer overall. While the update may feel inconvenient, it is generally considered safe for standard users. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix chat disabled on Roblox. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.